Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the language of your QW33 smartwatch. So the first thing is to turn it on. So if it's not turned on yet, you're going to have to turn it on. I've explained how to turn it on in previous videos. So I'm just going to, it's turned on, so I'm just pressing this to have the screen on. So I swipe from down up. So once you swipe up, you have something similar to this with a lot of icons. So the icon I'm interested in is the gear icon. So, and the gear icon is this icon. As you can see, this guy gear icon. So that's what I'm interested in. So I'm going to click on it. So as you can see, this language is actually French. I want to change it to English. So what I'll be looking for is the icon with AA. So you can see this icon as it's green and it has AA. It's not really showing well on the screen. Okay, so but it has AA, so that's what you want to look for. Do you understand? So even if it's in maybe Chinese or whatever language you find it, just make sure that it has that AA before it, the one with the AA before it that is green. So you click on it. So usually you would find it to have the synchronization on. So for you to change the language, you need to switch it off. So you just switch it off, then it becomes easy for you to change it. So I'm just going to change it to English. So I'll click on English and I'll turn on the synchronization back. And that's how you can actually change the language of your QW33 smartwatch. Thanks and have a nice day.